যে জিনিসটা ঘটছে, আমরা রিসেন্টলি মানে উই হ্যাভ রিসিভড অ্যান অ্যাওয়ার্ড ফ্রম TD and IFND. Being a professional member, Masud is one of the vital member, তার জার্নাল থেকে পাবলিকেশন হয়েছে। তো অ্যাকনোলেজ করছে ক্লিনিক্যাল ইঞ্জিনিয়ারিং অ্যাসোসিয়েশন অফ বাংলাদেশকে অ্যাওয়ার্ড করছে গ্লোবালি। তো আমাদের সেকেন্ডারি ডেস্টিনেশন হলো যে এদেরকে প্রচার করা এবং ওয়ারনেস তৈরি করা, বিল্ড আপ তৈরি করা, সেটা বায়োমেডিকেল হোক, ইলেকট্রোমেডিকেল হোক, বা আমরা যারা প্র্যাকটিস করতেছি তারা তো বায়োমেডিকেল ক্লিনিক্যাল অবস্থায়। তো আজকের মাসুদ সাথে আই convey my thanks is potential person undoubtedly. Today's the importance and benefits of clinical engineering department in Turkey, not in Bangladesh. So Turkey developed the module near about it is the upper middle income country or lower middle income country. So they have modeling and they executing the modeling. I would like to convey my thanks to Mr. Masud Hasan engineer to introduce himself as well as inauguration of this training session. Thank you, Mr. Masud. Are you hearing?
Yes, sir, I am hearing. I am seeing that here some attendance like Selim, newly coming 1+ CPH 2469, Aulad Hussain, Mohammad Rabbil, Kausar Ahmed, and you are like a host. All of us are doing a nice work in the clinical engineering field, and this session is very effective for us, which is shared in YouTube, and I have seen it previous some days ago in the Facebook wall, in my Facebook wall, and I have go through that slide and so much pleased to see that it will be very much helpful for clinical engineer and as well as the technical persons working in this field. And I have shared the slides in my Facebook wall, and I have planned to learn much more from this platform. That's why I have some plan that has been shared with Honorable TMR sir. You can share my opinion in this platform, sir, please. And I am now asking to start the session immediately, inshallah, sir. Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum salam. Thank you, my dear colleague and beloved technical manager Rapier, Union TC. Usually, Mr. Engineer Masud Hasan playing a vital role in the menu. Since I am going to be retired, but in the next years, inshallah, he will be handled all sorts of things. So he is efficient, sincere, dedicated, and potential person to the best of my knowledge. And I would like to introduce himself. He also the PhD fellow in Khulna Engineering University under Mohiuddin Ahmed. Hopefully, he will be completed his courses, related courses. Now he is in research fellow, means need to publication and report writing, etc. So today is vital issue that importance and benefits of the clinical engineering department in Turkey. While importance এটাকে বলে প্রয়োজনীয়তাটা কি এটা আমাদের জানতে হবে। প্রথম কথা হলো এটা আমরা জানলাম রেড মার্ক। এখন ইম্পর্টেন্স নিয়ে আই উড লাইক টু কনভে মাই থ্যাঙ্কস টু মিস্টার মাসুদ হাসান। গুরুত্ব নিয়ে ইম্পর্টেন্স নিয়ে একটু বাংলা থেকে সিলেক্ট করব। প্লিজ মিস্টার মাসুদ হাসান।
Importance and benefit of clinical engineering
Just importance
in it's in Turkey, am I right?
Yes.
You know that we are very familiar in this field, and we seeing that clinical engineering relationship with medical companies, insurance companies, leasing agencies, doctors, nurses, and we know that we also have to conduct with much people's surrounding us. Main theme is that we have to deliver safe patient service. We have to deliver safe service from the machine to the patient, safe and efficient service. That's why we have to improve us by self-learning. I think self-learning is the best way to deliver for the nation. We have to go through from the very beginning of the technology. We have to go through from the beginning rules like Ohm's law, series parallel open short circuit test, and this way our honorable TMR sir teaches us how we can improve our technical knowledge to increase the importance and benefit of clinical engineering department in the hospital services management. And we know that presently there is no clinical engineering departments in Bangladesh. Only national only NIMU and TC are providing this technical support from a remote place situated in Dhaka, from the local areas, local secondary and tertiary, primary and secondary hospitals. You know that primary hospitals like Upazila Health Complex, secondary hospitals like district Shodor hospitals are far from Dhaka, and we are facing so much challenges to serve these hospitals. If we establish clinical engineering departments, then we can provide touch and go service, and we can provide everyday service for the machine. You know that in developed countries like Japan, there are a huge number of clinical engineers doing their jobs in the hospitals and doing the periodic preventive maintenance as per their schedule and plan. I can assure that around 70 to 80% machine breakdown can be removed by performing the periodic preventive maintenance by the clinical engineers, and rest 20% will break down, and if we decrease this 80% breakdown, then the patient will not know how is going on. They will only get continuous support from the machine, efficient support from the machine, and they will fully satisfied. I think if we recruit around 5,000 to 6,000 manpower in this field, we can alleviate this problem, and we can overcome this problem, and then we will be able to make the periodic preventive maintenance schedule and implement it. When we will achieve this, then the continuous uninterrupted patient service will be assured, but a large number of money, a large number of investment is required, but we can assure that the outcome from this investment will be 1 to 100 time multiplied. That's the patient will get 100 taka service from 1 taka investment. This is the importance and benefit from clinical engineering departments in the hospitals, in the districts and divisions levels. I think TMR sir will be agreed with me. That's all for today. Best of luck. Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Thank you very much. From the review lecture, I would like to convey my message. First of all, the Global Clinical Engineering Division, International Federation, Biomedical and Biological Engineering. It is the great global pool. More than 196 countries are being related with the clinical engineering department. So I convey my thanks to the global leaders, Kamjot, Yadin David, and the key personnel of Adriana. A lot of name. It is very complex too with short interval, but I convey my thanks and gratitude, hardest love to them. And next on, I am bound to convey my thanks to Dr. Professor Mohiddin Ahmed, the pioneer of the biomedical engineering department in Kuwait. As a result, we are obtaining degree and learning knowledge. And also all the biomedical engineering department, electromedical engineering department, electrical department, mechanical department, ECT communication department, all the public and private university, those will hear our voice. In the meanwhile, the organizing secretary and research secretary, Mr. Engineer Masud Hassan, described nicely. And it is my ever pleased that his description was good. I wish to summarize first. He noted that and notified that means preventive maintenance is the major issue. If we ensure the preventive maintenance through skilled personnel, then suddenly or dramatically the breakdown will be reduced or can be minimized near about 80%. Then breakdown or fault condition will be 20%. It brings a good impact in the field of the patient care as well as the save the money, national benefit, financial revenue, and other patient satisfaction. Am I correct, Mr. Masud Hassan, in your summary?
Yes, sir, you are right.
Okay. Now let us go to our main points. Importance and benefits of clinical engineering department in Turkey. You can mind set up, it may be Turkey, it is the module. So you can consider in Bangladesh. That's why I highlighted here. Next time Masud will represent in Bangladesh. So it is one kind of journal paper. During my PhD, I capture this copy and accordingly I use this paper as referral book. Then abstract, a clinical engineer, আমি এখানে বলতে চাচ্ছি বাংলাতে dear Tomjot and Thomas Solar, you know very well that it is our country cultures, that is our English is mother tongue in Bangla. So sometimes we have reviewed that some videos from your corner in Spanish, France, and also Chinese. Then we convert. So I will appreciate and I will be delighted if you kindly convert this video in English version and hear everything. So I am wish to translate in Bangla and English. So our language will be Banglish. First Bangla and then English. So important শব্দ হলো গুরুত্ব, essential. বাংলায় বলে essential drug. যা আমার নিত্য প্রয়োজনীয়, যা ছাড়া আমার চলার কোনো কায়দা নাই, তাকে বলে ইম্পর্টেন্স বা essential, এই রুলটা। এন্ড মানে এবং বেনিফিটস মানে লাভ অফ ক্লিনিক্যাল ইঞ্জিনিয়ারিং ডিপার্টমেন্ট, বাংলায় হয় মেডিকেল ইঞ্জিনিয়ারিং ডিপার্টমেন্ট মানে বিভাগ, ইন টার্কি আমি বলি বাংলাদেশ। প্রশ্ন আমি একটাই বুঝাইতেছি, এর গুরুত্বটা আমরা এই সেশনের করে আমরা জানবো। একটা হাসপাতালে ক্লিনিক্যাল ইঞ্জিনিয়ারিং ডিপার্টমেন্ট থাকলে কি, না থাকলে কি, এই থাকা আর না থাকার মধ্যে প্রথমেই আসবে তার গুরুত্বটা। আর বেনিফিট শব্দের অর্থ হইলো পেশেন্ট বেনিফিটেড এন্ড ন্যাশনাল বেনিফিট। এটা হইলো প্রফিট বা মার্জিন বা লাভ। Whatsoever doing the business, at the end of the day, the proprietor of the clinics and hospitals count the money, how much money in his pocket. But in order to gain the benefits and profit, it is necessary to provide safe treatment to the patient and patient satisfaction. Whatsoever patient may be die, it not be unnatural death. It may be normal death, but we need to assure we engineer must be committed. আমাদের এমন কমিটেড হইতে হবে যে আমার যান্ত্রিক ত্রুটিজনিত কারণে কারো মৃত্যু ঘটবে না। এটা হলো আমাদের স্লোগান। So biomedical, clinical, electromedical, whatsoever new, all are today globally reputed as clinical engineering department. It may be difference of performance or other things, etc. So I go to the abstract preamble. Suchana, a clinical engineer is a professional who supports and advances patient care by applying in engineering and measuring skill to the health of people. আমি যদি এই লাইনটাকে এইভাবে ধরে আসি তাহলে সবারই বুঝতে সুবিধা। নাম্বার ওয়ান হলো ক্লিনিক্যাল ইঞ্জিনিয়ার বলতেছে কি জিনিসটা, একজন প্রফেশনাল পেশাজীবী যে নাকি সাপোর্ট দিবে এন্ড অ্যাডভান্স পেশেন্ট কেয়ার সাপোর্ট দিবে। কি দিয়ে দিবে? সে তার ইঞ্জিনিয়ারিং দক্ষতা এবং ম্যানেজারিয়াল দক্ষতা, কিন্তু তার প্ল্যাটফর্ম কি হবে? হেলথ কেয়ার টেকনোলজি, দ্যাট ইজ মেডিকেল ইকুইপমেন্ট ম্যানেজমেন্ট। Not only the preventive maintenance, not only the in service, not only the CMC. So from technology assessment, technology selection, procurement, and incoming inspection and acceptance test, and save use of the equipment, develop skill manpower, as well as maintenance, preventive, predictive, as well as performance outcome of the equipment. যখন এই কাজগুলো সে টোটালি করবে, এটাকে নাম হবে ম্যানেজারিয়াল স্কিল এবং হেলথ কেয়ার টেকনোলজি। The Department of Clinical Engineering plays an